Hello spooky friends, welcome back to another video. So today is day 5 of our 31 days of Halloween, and since Hocus Pocus 2 just came out on September 30th, I thought that I would go ahead and do a Hocus Pocus inspired themed look. As you can tell, I'm wearing my Billy earrings, but yeah, I thought I'd do like a little quick Hocus Pocus inspired look with outfit and minimal Hocus Pocus themed makeup. It's gonna be pretty subtle, maybe with a pop or a flare, still kind of deciding as we go through, but yeah, so let's go ahead and get started, y'all. Alrighty, so as always, we're going to start by priming our face, and then we're going to go ahead and do foundation. So let's go ahead and do that. Alrighty, now that we're done with foundation, we're going to go ahead and put on our powder, and as I've been saying for the past 4 days, I just use an e.l.f. bronzer, use all 4 colors, mix them in, and then I will go like this because my skin tone is a weird color, and also my foundation was slightly too light because they changed the formula and all of that shenanigans. So yeah, so we're going to do powder, and then we're going to do blush. And then we're going to do bronzer, and then we're going to do blush, and then we're going to do highlighter. Alright, and now we're going to do our brows with our brow pencil. Just go ahead and fill them in. Alright, now that all of the regular makeup is done, I'm going to put some setting spray on just in case, since I'm going outside today. After doing setting spray, I'm going to actually start my makeup, like the eye makeup. Of course, we're going to be using the P. Louise base again on our eyelids because we are going to be doing eyeshadow. I do have an idea, and I hope it doesn't come out dumb, but we're going to try it out. Hopefully it's cute. Alright, so let's go ahead and put this on our eyelids. You just go ahead and rub it with your fingers. That's probably the best way to put it on. And you're just going to go ahead and just smear, smear, smear like that to cover the eyelid. And you're going to do the same on the other side. Remember, a little goes a long way. This was just a really tiny, tiny dot. And after this, we're going to go ahead and apply our eyeshadow. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the Three Sisters colors on our eyelids. So this is going to be like a full-blown makeup. We're not doing a half face today. So we're doing the colors in order on how they are on the poster. So let me go ahead and tell you how we're going to do that. Alright, so we're going to start with Mary on the inside, and then Winifred, and then we're going to do Sarah. So they have different colors on. The colors that I'm going to be doing is for Mary more of a red orange because she has got like orange sleeves but like a red like, you know, other pieces of the outfit. So I'm going to do like a red orange to match my hair because I just redid my hair. So I'm going to do that for Mary, and then we're going to do the green for Winifred right here. And then right here, we're going to do a purple for Sarah, because Sarah has like a purple pink type of scheme. So we're going to do that right here. And then we're going to do that on both eyes. So we're going to just mirror it. And then right here, we're going to write Hocus Pocus. So I hope it doesn't look dumb. I'm also going to go ahead and do wings. I want to do them as witch brooms. I hope it doesn't look dumb. But I guess we will see. So let's go ahead and start with our orange eyeshadow on the insides of our lids. I like doing one eye at a time, so let's go ahead and start. I normally start with my right eye. I know it's weird because we're gonna write, you know, Hocus Pocus, so let's see. Someone's looking at my eyes. Hocus Pocus. I know that's right. That's right. So it'd be Hocus and then Pocus on this side. But yeah. So let's go ahead and get started. I will have to write backwards. Oh, I'm getting ambitious with this look. Okay. Okay. Let's do this. So I decided that I'm just going to do both sides because I'm using one color, right? Like, this is, let's just do it. I normally don't do my makeup like this, but as you can see, I put some underneath as well, right here. So go ahead and do that too. And now we're going to go ahead and do the green. I did get like a mossy type green color out so we can match her, her outfit a little bit better. So I'm going to do that one. So far it's looking like I'm going to a freaking football game or something. Hopefully we can fix that with the purple and then the eyeliner, but we will see. We will see. And then we're gonna also do the same thing with the green here. Put it on the bottom. Oh my gosh, it does look like I'm going to a freaking football game. Well, if this is a dud. I tried. Now for the purple, we're actually going to do the winged that we normally do with my makeups. So we're just do this and then attach it to the top, and that's going to be on both eyes that we're going to do this. Alright, now that you got the outlines, you go ahead and fill it in with the same purple. Alright, now, I don't know. I'm not a big fan so far, so hopefully there's some redemption in for this look with the liner. I guess we will see. But yeah, I'm just filling in the purple a little bit more, making it a little bit darker so it doesn't look as goofy. And then we're going to go in with our eyeliner and we're going to start doing the winged witch broom. Alright, we're still looking a little silly, so let's go ahead and do our liner. I am doing the liquid liner again. You're going to go ahead and just go across and do a regular wing to start. Do a tiny one. Alright, and from that, we're going to make a witch broom. So, actually make the bristles and everything. Okay, so now you're going to repeat the same action on the other side. So it was a little harder to do on that side, but it's okay. I'm going to go ahead and grab my gel black liner now. And I'm going to put it on my waterline. And then we're going to grab our eyeliner again. This is where it's going to get hard because we're going to write backwards. We're going to write Hocus Pocus. Make sure to leave enough room. Also, make sure you're letting it dry in between because if you blink, remember, if you do this, it's going to get all smeared. So do not close your eye. Hocus. Alright, now that we got the Hocus Pocus, I'm actually going to use a white liner. I'm going to actually dot all of the letters so that you can tell that they're separated, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Like that. So it like separates all the letters out. As you can see, I messed up on the S a little bit there, but it kind of helps it. Now, of course, we're going to go ahead and do some fake lashes. So glue on the eyelid. There we go. And now you're gonna go ahead and put your lashes on. So remember, you're also gonna go ahead and put some glue on the lashes, and then you're gonna go ahead and wait for the glue to dry, and then you will be done with the lashes once you put them on. They should be tacky. So like when you put your eyelash on, it'll be tacky. You'll feel it because like it'll be like, all right, reposition. There we go. Now mascara. So you're gonna put it on your top lash, bottom lash, and remember you're using this to kind of glue the fake lash to your natural one. That way you're not gluing with real glue. You're just using mascara and you're not pulling off your eyelashes on accident, which by the way, I have done that. I went to go get my lashes done professionally for my birthday one year, and what's it call it? The lady told me that I had ripped a lot of my lashes out, and I don't use curlers that much, so she told me that it was from eyelash glue. Alright, so there is that. Now we're gonna go ahead and apply some lipstick, which since this is an adventurous look, I'm gonna go ahead and do black with this purple shimmer in the middle. Might as well, because this actually came out super freaking cute. Like, it was a nightmare, and then it came out like slay queen. Alright, so we have the black. Now we're going to do the purple shimmer, and like I said, this is going to go in the middle, but we need to make sure that the black is dry. So make sure that to, you know, dry out your lips a little bit, fan them a little bit. I'm so sad. I'm all out. So, alright, let me think of an alternative. Ah, here we go. I have another purple shimmer. So let's go ahead and do this. Alright, and honestly, that's the makeup look. We got something simple, and I feel like it's more of a party look, so if you want to go out, you know, and just want to be like festive, you know, there we go. So let's go ahead and go into the reveal so I can show you my entire Hocus Pocus themed outfit with the makeup. So let's do this, my spooky friends. On to the reveal we go. I hope y'all enjoyed that video. This is the end, y'all, of day 5 of 31 days of Halloween. Now, tomorrow is day 6, so stay tuned. Subscribe if you haven't already to continue watching my 31 days of Halloween. And if you want to see the pictures, go check out my Instagram. If you want to see the way that I put this outfit together, go check out my TikTok, which all the links are below. So I'll see y'all later. Don't forget to like and subscribe again, and I'll see y'all later. Bye, spooky friends.